Ready to begin Chapter 6, Engineering in Reverse. The questions that we'll answer in this PowerPoint are: what is reverse engineering? What is a multi-view drawing? What is orthographic projection? And what is an exploded view? Let's start with some vocabulary. Reverse engineering. Reverse engineering is the process of measuring and analyzing an existing item, then recreating technical drawings of that item. Orthographic projection. An orthographic projection is a method of transferring the views of an object onto the planes that are perpendicular to each surface of the object. Working drawing. A working drawing is a drawing from which the object can be fabricated. Assembly drawing. An assembly drawing is a pictorial drawing that shows the parts of an object placed in the correct location. An exploded view. An exploded view is part of a pictorial drawing that shows the parts of an object disassembled but in relation to each other. Dimension. Dimensions are the sizes and notes placed on a mechanical drawing that note an object's linear measurements such as width, height, and length, as well as the location of the object's features. What is reverse engineering? Reverse engineering is used as a series of logical steps. First, identify the purpose, develop a hypothesis, disassemble, analyze the elements, prepare the report, and redesign. Your book has this to add as far as the purpose of why you would want to reverse engineer something. In simple terms, why complete the reverse engineering process? What question needs to be answered? Second, we must establish a hypothesis or answer to the question. Third, we must disassemble products with more than one part. Basically the first three steps there: identifying the purpose, developing a hypothesis, and then disassembling the existing object. What is a multi-view drawing? A multi-view drawing is required for the manufacturing process and also to permanently record the product's design. What is an orthographic projection? Orthographic projection is a projection straight from the object. This shows the surface's true shape and size. What is an exploded view? An exploded view shows how the parts of a product separate from one another. The parts may look as if they are floating in space. We commonly see exploded views in assembly manuals, and it is common for the different parts to be labeled. As always, your assignment in your engineering notebook is to answer the following questions, and we'll discuss them in class. How is reverse engineering helpful? Why do engineers require multi-view drawings? Why is orthographic projection helpful? What information could an exploded view be helpful with? Why are dimensions required for engineering drawings? And we'll see you later.